Today we were looking at the ground system from air traffic control, the airborne systems in the aircraft.
Trying to contribute as much as possible to enhance and improve the European airspace for the future.
Today, obviously, we still rely on the good cooperation between the pilots and the air traffic controllers by voice communication. And now we're trying to automate it even more with data link communication between the aircraft and the ground stations.
We've had very interesting discussions on how that would impact the workload and the complexity in the cockpit for the pilots. For the airspace users to be a part of projects in general is quite imperative, I would say. That we, in a collaborative manner, work together on the operational issues to have a system and a concept that works for the future. So I'm very happy to be here, and I'm very happy that we can contribute in this manner.
And that will overall mean less fuel burn, less emissions, so again optimize the sustainability of the commercial aviation.